Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. My name is Mandy. Hello. Thank y'all so much for being here. Today's video, I thought it would be a lot of fun to bring back out of official retirement my Amazon's weirdest shoe try on haul video. If you are looking for some crazy weird ass shoes that really and truly have no business being on anybody's feet, but you're strangely curious about them anyway, then baby, you are in the right place. The last time that I filmed one of these videos, I had like a man down situation. Those shoes were legit dangerous, y'all. I probably could have filed for workers' comp after I filmed that video, and it also strangely makes me appreciate shoe engineering, which also makes me question, as a side note, what the hell y'all doing over there when y'all are designing these shoes? Ellie, Pleaser, y'all are having way too much fun over there. And also, I would like to know, what do y'all wear on Casual Fridays? Are nipple clamps and like the tassels appropriate for Casual Friday day? I want to know. Send me an application in my email. I really want to work for y'all. So if y'all like this type of content and would like to see more, please consider liking and subscribing. You know your girl would appreciate it. And without further delay, let's get into this Amazon's weirdest shoe try on haul video right now. Let's go. All right, y'all, so I have 5 different shoes to choose from, and I'm gonna be going in no particular order. So normally here on my channel, I'll go from like most favorite to least favorite, or least favorite to most favorite. We're not gonna be doing that here. We're just gonna be picking and choosing. I'm gonna talk about it for a minute. I'm gonna show you what it looks like, and then we're gonna be moving on to the next one. These are all a lot of fun. Mostly are gonna be from the brand Ellie or Pleaser. I'm not really sure if Pleaser owns Ellie or Ellie owns Pleaser, and then I also have another brand to talk about. But the first shoe that I'm gonna be talking about is gonna be just the one that is like right here by my hand. So I figured, hey, let's just start with that one. And this one, bam, is a big hodgepodge of a lot of feelings. So somebody had like a Western inspiration, somebody had a go-go boot inspiration, somebody had a creeper inspiration and a platform inspiration and a Mary Jane inspiration. And so it's just like a hodgepodge of lots of different things. I'm having a lot of mixed feelings here, but I really think the buckle is very cool. I don't remember how much I paid for these, so I'm gonna put a little notation at the beginning of each one that I talk about. But these have a really cool, like a Western embroidery on the buckles here. Like it has the 5 buckles, and each one has the embroidery, or like the etching, I should say, right here on the buckle. And I think that is really cool. They're all functional, so you can adjust each one. And they also have a zipper on the side with this little like inverted triangle. And these suckers are tall. So I picked these up in a size 9. And I find that Ellie or Pleaser is notoriously running small. So I probably could have worn a 9.5 or even a 10 in these. They're kind of hard to get in and out of, but it just is what it is. Whenever you buy shoes like this, I'm pretty sure you want them to be a little bit snug. That way they kind of hold you in and hold on to, because this is like a broken ankle just waiting to happen. They're pretty awesome, but also pretty terrifying all at the same time. All right, y'all, so the second pair of shoes that I am absolutely head over heels for, strangely, are also from the brand Ellie, and this is what they look like. And believe it or not, I'm kind of wanting to keep these because they are so cool and so interesting, and they almost feel like genuine leather. I'm not really sure if they are or not. I picked these up in a size 9. As I mentioned before, Size 9, they run a little bit on the small side. Just Ellie in general runs a little bit in the small side, but you kind of want these to fit a little bit small. That way you are secure and snug in these. So this is what they look like, and these are sort of a mixture of a brogue, of like a vintage bowling shoe, of a tennis shoe, and a Mary Jane platform chunky heel. They got a lot going on. I don't know. They're just kind of speaking to me. Whenever I saw these online, I was like, ooh, those suckers are ugly. When I took them out of the packaging and I put these on, I was like, dang, they kind of work. They kind of are a jam, and I'm feeling them a lot. So they have this strap that goes around the ankle right here. They feel very luxurious. They feel like a really well-made shoe. Some of the other ones really don't. They're kind of a cheap vinyl. They have a lot of glue. You know what I'm talking about? They're just not legit feeling. These feel somewhat substantial. They feel like they're very well made. I can see getting a lot of compliments in these, and I'm kind of liking them a lot. What do y'all think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Should I keep them? Should I not? Should I send them back? Should I burn them? Let me know. All right, y'all. So shoe number 3 is definitely one that I'm going to send back. Whenever I took these out of the packaging, these looked worse in person than what they did online. And this is what they look like. And to me, these are like a blister waiting to happen because they have this like vinyl jelly material. If y'all remember wearing jellies or like that plasticky sandal whenever you were a kid, whoo, man, those used to give me the worst blister ever, ever, ever. So this is like a cross between, so it's a platform and then it's like a vintage bowler shoe. It's a tennis shoe. It's got a lot going on. I do love the color story. I kind of like the contrast between this fuchsia here and this like bright pink. When you turn them upside down, this is what the bottom part looks like. So they have nice grippies underneath on the sole. And these are really, really cool shoes to wear with like a casual outfit. If you want to wear these with like jeans or, you know, maybe some like wide leg pants, something like that, something that makes a statement, maybe like a checkerboard style pant. I don't know. These are not my favorite. So I picked these up in a size 9. They fit perfectly. Usually a little bit more snug, but these surprisingly were not. They fit actually really, really good. And this is what they look like from the front. Otherwise, yeah, I mean, they're like a good football. That's about where the positives end with this one. All right, y'all, so now we're on to the second to last pair. The second to last pair is definitely ones that I'm going to keep because they are so awful, they're wonderful. And this is what they look like. Now you're gonna hear me in future videos referencing the American flag Crocs over and over and over again. I have become obsessed with these shoes, and believe it or not, these are unbelievably comfortable. So I had bought my husband, you know, Crocs have been around forever and ever, but I bought my husband some Crocs, I wanna say like 3 or 4 weeks ago. And whenever I try to wear them, they are uncomfortable. I don't know what it is. It's like his have really, really firm spikes on the inside. These are so comfortable. I don't know what it is. I don't know if this is like an off-brand that Amazon bought. I don't know. But they are extremely comfortable. They're gaudy as hell. And I mean, they're perfect for the 4th of July weekend if you're just going out trying to make a statement, having some fun, having some beers, having some cocktails. So I just switched these around really quickly. And so the stars are going to be on the left foot and the stripes are going to be on the right foot. And as always with Crocs sizing, a 7 is going to be a 9 in women's. So a 7 in men's is going to be a 9 in women's. And nothing says a good old American fun time with fireworks quite like red and white and blue Crocs. Am I right? Yeah.
What you doing, Tare? Tare, what's up?
All right, y'all. So now we are finally on to the final pair of shoes. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, let me know in the comment section which ones are your favorite, which ones are the worst. I think these are the worst out of the whole entire bunch. They're like the ugliest, but yet the most beautiful all at the same time, if that's even possible. So this is what the final pair looks like. And these are like alligator slash snake skin. So they have like this texture about them. They have this like really sticky vinyl, but it's also beautifully rainbow. I just love this fabric. I think it is so cool. It's a very interesting type of fabric. Then when you turn them upside down, this is what the sole looks like. So they have flames going all up the area here. It just couldn't have gotten any better, am I right? It has to have flames underneath here. So yeah, now one thing I will say about these, I have larger calves. If you have larger calves, don't even think about it, because I can get these zipped up to about right here, and that's where it ends. So to get these on and off whenever you turn these around, this is what the zipper looks like. So of course it has to have a hot pink zipper. And whenever you open it up, it has fabric on the inside. So you zip it up. And then when you turn this around and look at the platform, so I would say it probably has about a 4.5-inch platform on the front and a 5.5, maybe even a 6-inch platform on the back. This would be something that I would definitely have worn to a Mardi Gras parade. Y'all know I'm from Baton Rouge, like the New Orleans area. And this is something that you would definitely see around the Mardi Gras parades throughout Baton Rouge, throughout southern Louisiana, because I mean, it's got lots of different colors. This is definitely something for Pride Month, for Pride parades. Like I said, somebody send me an LE job application. I would love to help design some of y'all's stuff because it would be extra gaudy, let me tell you. All right, y'all, that is going to do it for this Amazon's weirdest shoe try on haul video. I hope y'all found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. You know your girl would appreciate it. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy. I'm going to be seeing y'all very soon. I just hit something.